This video is for my small creator. It's for small YouTubers like me. So if you are not a small YouTuber, please zoom off. Okay, small YouTuber, come and gather here. Let's grow. Don't you want to get your channel monetized before Christmas, or do you want to stay till next year before you can get monetized? As for me, I want to get monetized before this year runs out. I don't know what's your own plan. If your plan is like me, better come here. Let's go, Jerry. Small YouTuber, let's vibes on vibes. Small YouTubers, let's do sub for sub. Small YouTuber, let's support each other. To all small YouTubers, gather here, let's grow. Who doesn't want to grow? Let me ask you, who doesn't want to grow? Me, I want to grow. I know that subscriber count, it means a lot to me. I don't know for you, but for me, it means a lot to me. I want to start making money on YouTube. And what is the requirement? I say 1,000 subscribers, and you are still sleeping, and you are still joking. You better come here, let's grow, Jerry. Are you like me? Is that you? Like, for sure, you are the one in people's comment section, in my comment section sometimes. So I'm going to tell you the brutal truth about sub for sub. Does it worth it? Is that the actual way of you growing your channel? Is it really the best way to go about it? Have you think about the implications of this on your YouTube channel? Oh my God, you don't want to take YouTube as a serious business. Do you just want to be on YouTube 1 year and you get monetized and demonetized? Like, you don't want to take this serious. Like, you don't want to take this business very serious. See, growth takes time. There are no short way, or there are no shortcut to success. If that is what you have been doing, and if you are still planning to do that, please, you really have to stop doing that now. I'm going to tell you why this is going to affect your channel in a very bad way, and the kind of signal that is sending to the YouTube algorithm. Hi small creators, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and you are seeing my face for the very first time, you are welcome. This is Affitech Digital channel. Then my name is Afion. Please do well to smash on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave your comment in the comment section and share. Yeah, so that YouTube algorithm actually see that this video is performing well, and will keep on recommending it to small other creators like you and I. Have you subscribed? Thank you for subscribing and being part of my amazing community. So I want to tell you, before we even dive in, what is sub for sub? Sub for sub is support me and I will support you back. Subscribe to my channel and I'll subscribe to yours back in return. But who doesn't want to grow? So, and doing that, you are thinking that you are getting the subscribers. I want to get my 1,000 subscribers, I can get it as far as I've gotten monetized. I've get to that threshold of monetization. But what if you gather all the subscribers? Okay, even after, see, let your thinking be after monetization, not before monetization. Because you can manipulate your ways out and get the first 1,000 subscribers and you watch ads. What will not happen after you've been monetized? Okay, tell me how you want to be making money on YouTube when you are monetized. Is it not when I watch your content? Is it not when people come spend time watch your content? Is it not how you'll be making your money? Then tell me, when you are doing sub for sub and those people are not your target audience, they are not interested in your content, and you pack them, it's just like building a house without sand. Will that house last? Will the foundation even stand firm? It won't. So when you pack all those people, boom, and go and keep on your channel, and they don't get to watch your video, number one is that they are not even your target audience. They might not be interested in your content. But we are just focusing on the shortcut, like the easiest way for us to grow without thinking about the long-term gain. Do you know that you are hurting your channel more harm than good? Why are you hurting your channel? Gathering these subscribers. See, I prefer to have 100 subscribers who interact with my posts than having 1,000 subscribers who doesn't care about what I'm posting on YouTube. Yes, take that quote from me. I prefer 20 subscribers to 100 subscribers who doesn't interact with my posts, who doesn't watch my video, who doesn't like, comment, or share. Do you know that sub for sub can actually stop YouTube from recommending your videos to more viewers, and it can lead your channel to shadow ban? I know you don't know that one, right? Yeah. See, I've seen a lot of person on YouTube. See, if you want to grow on YouTube, always watch people videos. YouTube demonetize me and you skip that one. Watch that video because you actually have something to learn from it. You don't know why you demonetize the person channel. YouTube deleted my first channel, or I deleted my first channel. Please do well to watch the video to hear from the person, because experience is the best teacher. If you learn from that person's experience and you don't take correction, then you are a mumuma. I'm sorry to use that word, but that's just the fact about it. You will not wait until something happens to you before you can actually take correction. You need to learn from people's experience. So many persons deleted their channel, their first channel on YouTube, because of maybe gathering subscribers that don't care about their content. YouTube will stop recommending your videos, and they might put your account in shadow ban. Okay, tell me, what is the need of having thousands or millions of subscribers, but they don't engage in your post? What, like, why do you think that is possible? And you doing this up for sub, you are putting your channel in shadow ban way. Like, your channel is at risk, and the person channel you are watching that video is also at risk. Some of you do not even waste time. You even go to someone's video instead of you to like leave a good comment on that video, so that, do you think YouTube algorithm is blind? Leave a good comment there and just move on. Some of us will not even say, oh, thank you for sharing this amazing content, it was nice. The next thing, all small YouTuber gather here, let's go vibes on vibes, sub for sub. Are you for real? Is that what the video was all about, or it's all about? Please, if you have been doing it, or you are intending to do it, or I was once like you guys. In fact, all small creators, even if not all, almost all small creators pass through this phase of life. We want to grow fast, we want to make money fast, especially when the views are not coming, the subscriber, like, we are looking for the easiest ways to get them. Have you asked yourself this question? At the end of the day, you got monetized. Who will be watching your content for you to be making more revenue, more money on YouTube? Like, that's where we fail to understand what we are doing now. You might not see. I know that even as I'm speaking to you in those videos, someone will still be out there typing sub for sub in the comment section. Or small YouTube and gather here, let's go. It's your choice, it's not for me. But if you don't take this thing I'm telling you now, you regret it later. Then what is the next question? How do I get more subscribers that can interact with my post? I will tell you this one for free. Create quality content. Like, just forget about yourself and put your audience in your shoe. Create what people would like to watch, like a varied content. What people will keep on searching for in the next 5 years, in the next 2 years. Even when you are creating the content, people are not still watching, you are not getting the subscribers. Please don't be panic about it. It takes time, it takes consistency for you to get there, for you to grow on YouTube, for you to be one of the biggest creators on YouTube. There is no shortcut to success. Yeah. So instead of you focusing on, and the worst thing is that people doing this software stuff, they will not even want to create content. They only just to be moving from one comment section to another, not like they're interested in their content. They'll just be saying sub for sub. Someone YouTube and car that here. Are you okay? Even as you're doing sub for sub, can't you just still try creating content to see if majority, even if 50% of them are not interested in your content, at least 30 or 40 might still be interested in your content. You just leave your focus on creating content and be doing sub for sub. Have you ever wondered why YouTube do take subscribers down? Do you know that YouTube actually take down subscribers? Have you ever think about it? Have you ever think about when you woke up and you noticed that maybe last night you check your subscribers, you had 25, you woke up the next day and you saw 20? Have you asked yourself that question? What happened? Sometimes you might think that those people unsubscribe, but that might be far away from it. YouTube sees these people as dead audience. As far as they are there, they are not interacting, YouTube actually remove them from your channel. Please focus on creating quality content. Choose quality over quantity. Another thing that will also help you to get more subscribers and views on your channel is when you optimize your video for search. See, if you are doing tutorial content like me, SEO is very, very important. That is search engine optimization. It's very, very crucial on those YouTube streets. You need to optimize your videos well, so that when people are searching for it, your video will pop up and they will click to watch. And the last thing I want to say in those videos is that you need to be consistent. If you are creating quality content, no one is watching, be consistent. Don't give up. See, the worst thing you will do to your life is giving up on YouTube. In fact, it's better you did not start YouTube than you start it and you gave up at the end of the day. I saw one person saying that, who will buy my YouTube channel? I don't have views. I only have I think 8 subscribers, and the person posted about 31 videos, and you're looking forward to buy. Who wants to buy that kind of channel? It's better you don't start than you start and you now give up. That is the worst mistake ever. Please, my dear brother and sister, I know we want to grow fast. I know growing on YouTube is not easy. Me too, I'm struggling to grow. I used to do this before. In fact, they even beg past me, sef. Beg past me. Do pass me. If you think say they do pass me, na lie. I do pass you. You don't send data give person before make you subscribe to your channel. But you never do that one. I do pass you. No be choice. Stop focusing on it. I stopped it. When I used to watch big creators talking about it, I used to be like, those people, they don't want me to grow and be like that. But now I've realized that it's not good. Please, you really need to stop. I hope you find this video helpful. I didn't mean to like waste your time or take much of your time. But I hope this message now has been helpful to you. Please do well to smash on the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I get to upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to get notified. Please don't forget to comment. Yeah, let me know if this video has actually helped you. Share this video to get as many person out there. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.